Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Toyota Corolla cabin air filter. First, gather your tools, a new cabin air filter and a small flathead screwdriver. Make sure your car is parked safely on a level surface with the engine off. This simple maintenance task is crucial for air quality inside your vehicle and usually takes less than 15 minutes. It's a quick and easy way to improve your driving experience. Now, let's locate the cabin air filter. Open your glove compartment all the way. You'll notice small stoppers on the sides. Gently press them inward to release the glove box. Once released, carefully lower the glove box down. This action will reveal the rectangular housing that contains your old cabin air filter. It's usually a white or black plastic cover. With the housing exposed, you'll see two small clips on either side of the cover. Unclip these, and then you can easily slide out the old cabin air filter. Take a moment to observe how dirty it might be. Now, grab your new filter. Pay close attention to the airflow arrow printed on its side. It should point downwards. Carefully slide the new filter into the slot until it's fully seated. Finally, reattach the filter housing cover, ensuring both clips snap securely into place. Then, lift the glove box back up and re-engage the stoppers into their original slots. Close the glove compartment and you're all done. You've successfully replaced your cabin air filter, improving your car's air quality. For a fresh scent, check the description for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals. Enjoy your cleaner air.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.